back to my channel. The easiest to follow recipes, you will find them here. So today we're gonna go ahead and cook some pasta, Alfredo pasta from scratch. It has super simple ingredients, it is super fast, and it's a really great meal you can cook for your family. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the ingredients now. Please ignore this, I just got blood work done, and also I have little chicks here inside, and they're growing super fast though. So alright guys, let me go ahead and show you the ingredients. You're gonna be needing the fettuccine pasta. I got this one, and this is 1 pound. You're gonna be needing parmesan cheese. You're gonna be needing some butter. You will need 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. You will also need some fresh parsley. You'll also need some grass-fed, well, you don't need grass-fed, but you need some milk. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna turn this on medium, and I cut half of that, so it's 8 ounces, so it's 4 ounces of butter. Here to melt. Now that it has melted, we're gonna go ahead and add the whipping cream. And put my pasta to boil. I'm gonna go ahead and mix these. So my pasta is ready, and it should be like this. Whoa, it's hot. Took out some of the pasta water because I'm gonna be using it. I'm gonna go ahead and drain this now. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and add the parmesan cheese. We're gonna need 2 cups. So this is 1.5 cups. Go ahead and mix it now until it melts. Now remember guys, all the all the ingredients we put, you can always do it to your taste. Maybe you didn't like so much Italian seasoning, or maybe you don't want so much salt. So that is just to your taste. You can add more cheese if you want. Now remember, it can come out salty, so you gotta be careful. Sometimes that I want like more like cream on it, I'll just add my organic milk. There, you see, that's the consistency. I will add organic milk, and that will make it more creamy. Or if it's too salty, I'm gonna go ahead and add more milk. I already added a little bit, so I'm just adding to the taste. And this is the milk that I like to use. I'm gonna add a handful of parsley. It looks so pretty. We're gonna go ahead and add some pasta water. And bring over our pasta and add it. Oh, it's super hot. Wait, you guys can't even see. Oh my god, that was close. Maybe I needed a bigger pan. Oh no, no. I added some parmesan cheese on top, just a little sprinkle para que se vea bonito, so it looks pretty, and then some parsley fresh leaves on top. I'm gonna go ahead and serve myself a little plate so I can taste it with you guys. Just a little bite. Ay, que little bite. Okay guys, so now let's go ahead and give it our taste test. I hope it's not so hot. It's super creamy, guys. Look. I love pasta with bacon. So you can always add bacon. Like first cook the bacon, make it kind of crispy or whatever, and then add it in here. Super good. But my husband Jorge doesn't like bacon, like you guys remember from those potato slices. Salió bien rico, guys. And as our main, that is just the side for the plate today. what we try to focus is on protein. And today we're gonna be having a whole chicken for protein, and I'm gonna be cooking it on the air fryer. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop that in my air fryer, and I'll go ahead and show it to you guys once it's ready. And if I don't, sorry. But this is gonna be the main entry. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one.